So we are talking about the hand concept. So thumb, I said, is your capital. C for capital, C for credit. Your first finger is your assert. Assert, whenever increases in business, has to be debit. Now this finger, next finger, liability. And liability means what? जब भी आपका मन कहे कि आपको देना है या it is not very good for your business, it has to be liability. This is the one way to understand it. Liability has to be always credited. Whenever liability increases in your business, it has to be credited. What does liability mean? Liability means the amount which a business firm owes to outsiders. That is, आपको देना है. owes मतलब आपके business को outsiders को देना है. That is liability. Okay, now liability generally क्या nature पकड़ती है? Liability has to be credited if it increases. Now देना है to outsider, remember, so it will be easy for you to find out what is it out of 5: capital, assert, liability, expense or income. So liability can be of two types: fixed, or also known as non-current liability, and the second is current liability. Now what is fixed or non-current liability? Repayable after 1 year. That it will take more than 1 year for your business to repay. That is fixed or non-current liability. What will be current liability? It will be repayable within a year. So that is called as current liability. Now fixed or non-current liability, what are the examples? See, long-term loan. There are loans which can be taken for 2 years, 3 years, up to 25 years also. So the repayment will be done after that period is over, and आपको वो लोन वापस चुकाना पड़ेगा. मतलब आपके बिजनेस को आउटसाइडर को देना पड़ेगा. जब देना पड़ेगा तो लॉन्ग टर्म लोन इज योर लाइबिलिटी, एंड अंडर लाइबिलिटी ऑल्सो इट इज fixed or non-current liability. Debentures, the loan taken by companies, are known as debentures. Now for the time being, remember the formula: liabilities is equal to assert minus capital. I will also show you applying this formula doing a sum, but before that just remember liability is equal to assert minus capital. Okay, now what is current liability? Current liability is repayable within a year. That is repayable by your firm or by your business to outsider within a year. So what can be examples of current liability? Sundry creditors, we had already understood that your factory bought raw material on credit and now they have to pay to, that is, you have to pay to outsiders. So the person from whom you bought raw material became your creditor. आपको, आपके बिजनेस को उनको पैसा देना है. So sundry creditors is your liability and current liability. Now a promise to pay becomes bill payable. Creditors or sundry creditors plus bills payable becomes trade payable. Now what are outstanding expenses? They are also known as expenses payable. Some expenses which are due but you have still not paid, so you will have to pay in future. आपको फ्यूचर में देना पड़ेगा. वो इस साल का एक्सपेंस था और आपने पे नहीं किया, तो वो क्या होगा? हमारा करंट लायबिलिटी अंडर आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस और एक्सपेंसेस पेएबल. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपको पता है कि हमारा अकाउंटिंग ईयर 1 अप्रैल से 31 मार्च का होता है. कैलेंडर ईयर 1 जनवरी से 31 दिसंबर का होता है. पर एक अकाउंटेंट के लिए साल कब स्टार्ट होता है? 1 अप्रैल. से फॉर एग्जांपल 1 अप्रैल 19, तो वो साल एंड कब होगा? 31 मार्च 20. तो ये हो गया 12 मंथ्स. लेकिन इस 12 मंथ्स में आपने से फॉर एग्जांपल रेंट पे ही नहीं किया 1 महीने का, जो कि 10,000 रुपीज था. सो 10,000 रुपीज नाउ फॉर दिस ईयर विल बिकम रेंट पेएबल, जो आपको पे करना पड़ेगा. सो रेंट पेएबल विल कम अंडर करंट लायबिलिटी. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस आर एक्सपेंसेस ड्यू बट नॉट पेड, ऑल्सो नोन एज एक्सपेंसेस पेएबल. शॉर्ट टर्म लोन टेकन दैट यू हैव टू रीपे within less than a year, that are also current liability. आपको देना है. Now what is bank overdraft? Bank overdraft का मतलब है, see in bank businessman maintains current account. घर के लोग बैंक में सेविंग अकाउंट रखते हैं और बिजनेसमैन बैंक में करंट अकाउंट रखता है जहां वो अपने बैंक के अमाउंट को डिपॉजिट करते हैं. नाउ समटाइम्स देयर कैन बी immediate help which a businessman requires, immediate need of money, and he does not have the time to get a loan sanctions also. So he will request the bank that immediately आप मेरे अकाउंट में इतना पैसा ट्रांसफर कर दो, and बिकॉज ऑफ हिज गुड रेपुटेशन, हिज गुडविल, बैंक कर देगी और उस पर हाई इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करेगी. सो इट इज नॉट अ लोन, इट इज एन ओवरड्राफ्ट, दैट इज टेम्पररी. बैंक हेल्प कर रही है बिजनेसमैन को टू गेट सम फंड्स for which he is in immediate need, and bank will charge high interest on it, and only current bank account holders are given this facility, not saving bank account holders. saving account घर में maintain किया जाता है, बैंक के लिए current account maintain किया जाता है. so that facility in which you can overdraw more than what you have in your business bank account is known as bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is also a liability because ultimately you will have to pay or repay the bank back. So this was all about current liability.